The NPE program, it stands for New Product Evaluators. That's a program that we came up with in 2007, 2008 when we realized that we needed to get the growers to get their hands on our newest germplasm products as fast as possible to help us evaluate what's going to work and where. So we have approximately 205 growers across the cotton belt that on an annual basis plant our newest germplasm lines products out on their farms, and they give us the feedback. How did they manage it? Where did it do best? It gives us an indication that do we need to launch this product as a commercial cotton line in a Delta Pine bag? And also, if we do launch it, where do we need to launch it at, and in what environments is it going to do best? And also gives us direction on how to help tell a farmer how to manage it, growth management, fertility, and so forth. So it's an excellent program and really puts growers in the driver's seat, helping make the decision of what comes forward and what's available to purchase. So it's not just Monsanto or Delta Pine saying, hey, here's a new variety we think will do good. It gives us the opportunity to say, hey, here's a new variety. Growers tell us that it does good.